Hello everyone, welcome back to the next section. So in this section, I'm just introducing a new tool to remove background. That's the background eraser tool in the eraser tool category. Well, so before doing that, I just imported this image with plenty of hair. Let's make copy of this image and make a solid color adjustment layer with black color and keep it in between these layers. Then we can select the background eraser tool, and we can do a couple of things with it. We can erase the background, even we can keep the hair. That's the use of this tool, and select the bottom layer. And we have some settings over here. The first one is brush size. We can use the close square bracket to make it bigger and the open square bracket to make it smaller. Well, and also we can arrange here the size, then the hardness of the brush. When it become hard, look at that, the shape like this, then become soft, the edges become soft, the brush. So you can keep whatever hardness you want. Then also the spacing of each selections you can select. Well, we have three samplings here, that's contiguous, then once, and find edges or background swatch. And also we have three limits, that discontiguous, then contiguous, then find edges. These are really important. Let's take a look at the limits first. And also we have tolerance value given here. The tolerance value is denotes how much amount we can tolerate, the amount of selecting. That's tolerance. Let me show you that. When I select 1%, look at that, this really narrow selection. So when I keep it higher, 44, it become more dark. Then when I keep it more higher, 100%, it pure dark. Look at that. Well, let's take a look at the discontiguous or limits first. So I just made this, and we have one single color, that's red and yellow in the background. So let's select this tool, that's background eraser tool, and the discontiguous selected, and the tolerance keep it maybe 34 or 30. Then when I click and drag, look at that, after the barrier or after the erasing the yellow color here, from here, this also erasing. When I keep here, look at that, it erases beyond the borders. So this is discontiguous, erasing beyond the limits or borders. Then contiguous. So what is contiguous? When I do the same, look at that, there is no change after the border or after the red color border. So when I keep it here, look at that, it also a change. There is a change when it comes very close, it changes. Rest, there is no change. And also the final one is find edge. Find edge is just like the contiguous, it detects the edge perfectly or brilliantly. Look at that, better than the previous one. Okay, when it comes close, it also changes. So this is the limits. So it's always, I think, better to select this contiguous always. Well, I selected this contiguous, so we can sample from here. When we click here, it samples or it detects the same points, and we can drag like this. Keep it very slow, don't make it fast, and to select like this. How it looks. I know a small portion is disappearing, but rest, we get the rest of things. Zoom in and sample from here. Look at that. I think we can save a lot of areas from darkening. Then we can increase the tolerance and keep it this area more darker. Sorry. Anyway, we saved a lot from here. Then keep the tolerance lower and make it fine edges. Then we have to here fine edges. It never affect this area, I think. Well, then make it smaller, then zoom in. We want to erase from this area a little bit. Then select this area, select it. And also we can make it more beautiful or in another way. Let's make a solid adjustment layer here, maybe white. Okay, let's Control C to copy and paste, Control V to paste here, and Control T. Is it good? But we saved a lot of area, I think. Let's zoom in. We saved a lot of area, but here also we can see some defaults. It's not perfectly selected, but if you take time and you can do, or you can select with all hair. So this is the use. I just introduced the tool and the use. It's I think it's a part of our regular editing if we want to remove the background. So I hope you got it. I hope you can do next time when you're doing. Make sure to try and remove the background properly. Thank you.